In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images by Metafields in Shopify. If you've ever wanted a clean, consistent way to attach special images to your products, like a highlight badge, an extra gallery image, or a certificate, Metafields are the perfect tool. We'll create a product Metafield that accepts an image file, so you can reuse it across your catalog and reference it in your theme. Start in your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, head down to Settings. This is where Shopify keeps the data structure tools that power custom fields. In the Settings area, open Metafields and Meta Objects. On some accounts, you might see this under Custom Data. It's the same place where you manage resource-specific metafields. Choose Products as the resource. That tells Shopify we're creating a field that will be available on individual product pages in the admin. Next, select Add Definition. This creates a new, reusable field your team can fill in whenever they edit a product. Give your metafield a clear name, like Highlight. The display name is what you'll see in the product editor. Shopify will also generate a namespace and key behind the scenes. You can keep the defaults unless you follow a specific naming convention. Consistency helps when you or a developer reference this field in your theme later. Now set the content type. Click Select Type, then choose Image, File. This ensures the field accepts only image files from your store's files library or via upload, which helps keep your data clean and prevents someone from pasting text where an image should go. If you see an option to select categories or group this definition, pick the categories that best match how you organize custom data in your store. This is mainly for your own organization and discoverability. Click Done to confirm your type and any category choices, then click Save. That's it. The metafield is created. Here's how this helps in day-to-day work. When you open any product in the admin, you'll find the new Highlight Metafield in the Metafields section. Add or select an image there, and it stays attached to that product. To surface it on your storefront, you or your developer can connect this metafield in the theme editor or your templates, so the highlight image appears exactly where you want it. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Choose a descriptive name so teammates know when to use it. Keep image dimensions consistent for a polished look, and add alt text to the file for accessibility and SEO. If you don't see the field after creating it, refresh the product page or check your permissions. And with that, you're ready to manage product images with Metafields